Welcome to Dream of Life. In this video, we will uncover the essentials of business communication, its features, objectives, competence, ethics, and why it's so crucial for success in one short video. So let's dive in. So, what is business communication? Business communication is a multidimensional, dynamic, and interactive process that involves the effective transmission of facts, ideas, thoughts, and systematic understanding of scientific theories and practical aspects. There are some features of business communication. There are the 7 features of business communication. First one is the conciseness. So, in which, in a business communication, whatever one has to say must be the very brief, to the point, and concise. Undue explanation and very lengthy sentences should be avoided, and message should be conveyed in the fewest word possible. Second one is the clarity. Clarity is the in order to ensure clarity, the message should be presented in a very simple manner. Third one is the simplicity. As far as possible, information should be conveyed in a very simple and direct manner. To attain the simplicity in writing, simple and familiar word and short sentence should be used. Fourth one is the logical development of ideas. The purpose of the business communication is to communicate information in such a manner that everyone can comprehend it properly. This goal can be achieved by proper sequence and logical development of ideas in paragraph. Fifth one is the consideration. So, consideration refers to the receiver. What is to be the conveyed should be understandable by the receiver. While selecting the subject matter, the medium of communication, receive the emotions, needs, and interests should be kept in mind. Sixth one is the concreteness. So, in which it is an essential requirement of effective business communication to bring concreteness in a communication. Visual aids like the graph, charts, table, and diagrams should be used. Last one is the accuracy. So it is a very important to maintain accuracy in business communication. Inaccuracy may hamper the effect in business communication. Accuracy in terms of information, facts, figures, and grammar, uses of words, spelling, punctuation, marks need to be maintained. Next slide is the objective of business communication. There are many objectives of business communication for improving your communication skill. So first one is the to exchange information. The prime objective of communication is to exchange information internally and externally. That is to deal with the organization and outside the organization. Second one is the to achieve goal, in which the goal of the organization can be obtained through effective organizational communication. Everybody tries to acquire such goal, and therefore it requires the effective organizational communication. Third one is the to maintain coordination and cooperation. Coordination and cooperation among three level, that is corporate level, divisional level, and functional level of an organization are maintained through communication. Fourth one is the to plan. So planning decide what is to be done in the future. All the information and the data which are required to make plan for business can be obtained or gathered through communication. Fourth, fifth one is the to solve problem. Uh, to solve problem in which the communication can remove the gap between the employer and employees. Fruitful communication ensure a network in an organization to solve the problems. The sixth one is the to increase the job satisfaction, in which we require the better job environment, and better job environment is possible if there exists communication chain. Strong chain helps to overcome jobs related stress and increase the job satisfaction. To achieve efficiency, in which they achieve the efficiency through the communication, and through the communication and it Communicate can provide the information regarding past and present. It also helps to anticipate about future. So communication increases efficiency of the workers by providing instant information. The last one is the to manage human resource, in which to manage human in which the to recruit, train up, and motivate the human resource properly. There must be effective communication. Skilled manpower are professional and work for achievement and development. So these are the few objectives, and also have many objectives for of business communication. Then we see the communicative competence. Communicative competence is the concept of communicative competence, that is a term coined CI by linguist Hams in 1972, in which the communicative competence is refers to ability, and it introduced by the Noam Chomsky. So communicative competence refers to ability to use the language effectively and appropriately in various contexts. It encompasses more than just grammatical knowledge. It involves the understanding how to use the language in socially and culturally in appropriate ways. There are there are aspects of communicative competence, which is the four aspects of communicative competence. So, first one is the grammatical competence, then social linguistic competence, then discourse competence, then strategic competence. So, let's see step by step uh, what are the four competence. So, first one is the grammatical competence, in which it includes the knowledge of phonology, orthography, vocabulary, words formation, and sentence formation. So then the social linguistic competence, in it includes the knowledge of socio culture rules of use. It use concern with the learner ability to handles, like for example setting topics and communicative functions in a different social linguistic context. In addition, it deals with the use of appropriate grammatical forms of for different communicative functions in a different social linguistic context. Then also the understanding and using the understanding and using like vocabulary, language convention, that is grammar, punctuation, spelling, and syntax. Then the discourse competence, in which understanding how ideas are connected through like a pattern of organization. Example, ideas can be organized sequentially by importance, by uh, comparing and contrasting. Then conjunction like add or because. Then then transition words like first, next, also, however, for instance, and therefore, etc. Then strategic competence, in which using the techniques like overcome the language gaps. Second, plans and assess the effectiveness of communication, achieve the conversation and writing fluency, modify text for audience, and propose. So it also concerned with the such performance factor as a coping with the nuisance of background noise or using gap filter. Then importance of business commission, business communication, which is very important. So first one is the managerial efficiency, in which communication helps in smooth operation of management. A managerial task can only be performed when the communication system is effective. Second one is the enhanced moral and relations, in which effective communication emphasizes the employees' participation in management. It helps to build the employees' moral and coordinate industrial relations between management and employees. Third one is the effective leadership. Effective leadership depends on effective communication. Two-way communication helps in effective communication. A managerial leaders must handle the subordinates ordering. Qualitative leadership is essential, and that can be obtained from a proper system of communication. Fourth one is the mutual trust and confidence. Mutual trust and confidence between labor and management are necessary for the effective movement of the organization. When there is effective communication, it helps to reduce misunderstanding and develop mutual trust. Better decision. So, in which the success of an organization can be measured in better decision when that information, data, and other facts are not effectively communicated. It hampers the decision making. Then, staffing. When the information are correctly communicated in time, it helps the function of selection, placement, socialization, promotion, and transfer. Then, better managerial concern, in which all managerial functions such as planning, organization, directing, controlling, etc., can't be conducted without communication. So, last slide is the ethics in business communication. So, ethics is the important in business communication. There are the 5 ethics. So, first one is the conveying the point without offending the audience, in which while communicating with the audience, expressing the desired message to them in a significant manner is of primary importance. Strong conversation skill can make a big difference in a workplace. Knowing how to share an attentive, friendly discuss we will give the more confidence and help you build better relationship. Second one is the maintain the relationship with the audience, in which maintaining the same wavelength with the audience is very important for a communicator to ensure the audience feel at home. Experience communication immediately build a relationship based on trust with the audience as soon as they are started. Then avoid the third one is the avoid withholding crucial information, in which in modern era information is vital for all decision. Hence, it is essential for any organization to be cautioned when communication with the Titanic. Then fourth one is well organized value system. In order to ensure that this concept is successfully practiced and understood in an organization, a well organized value system must be established throughout the organization by the top management. If an organization functions on the base of value systems common to both the top management and the employees, mutual respect between them will be present. Then accuracy of information is necessary. So, in which any information that is to pass on must be true and accurate. Communication without checking the truth of information can be highly dangerous for the organization. Identification of the source and testing the information is necessary before communicating it. So, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe of Dream of Life. Drop your question in the comment. I will see you in the next one. And also, I'm share the notes if you can, if you say that. So, thank you.